Writing this week, if you go to classwork and then the writing tab, you can open up the Google Slides here. And so this week we're going to be working on narrative writing, which this should be a review because we did this mostly in French, but we did it in the fall. But this time we're going to do it in English. So it says, Bonjour. This week we are going to review writing personal narratives. So you can go down, you can click on the TV to learn about writing a personal narrative. So if you click on that link, it will take you to a video about writing a personal narrative, planning and pre-writing. Okay, and then if you go down, there's narrative writing. So you use transition words such as first, next, then, and last. Use descriptive words and details to make it interesting. So here I have, which is more interesting? Number 1, it's April. I'm home from school. It's boring. It stinks. It's because there's some sickness. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, it is a very strange time. It's April 2020, and instead of going to school, playing on the playground with my friends, and playing soccer, I have been stuck at home for 3 whole weeks. There's an illness called coronavirus that is making people sick. To help keep people safe, everybody has to stay at home. First, they canceled school and work. My whole family is home together. In the beginning, I felt very scared and confused. I missed my friends in school. So that's just the very first part. I would keep going. But I think 2 is more interesting because it has details and descriptive words. If you go to the next one, you can click on the TV again in the link, and it will take you to another video about writing a draft. So if you would like, you can write it down on paper at this point. And what I want you to do is I want you to write about your life right now. So you're going to write a personal narrative about your life right now when you're at home because of coronavirus. You can think about, how do you feel? Happy, sad, bored, or frustrated? How has your life changed? Are you going to school, to restaurants, to the playground? Are you playing sports? What have you been doing? Have you been riding your bike, playing with Pokemon, reading books? What happened first, then, next, and last? I want you to write at least 1 strong paragraph. If you want to, you can write more. You can click on the link if you want to listen to our favorite paragraph song, so that you can remember all the different parts of a paragraph. And then here you can write it here. So it says start typing here. You can erase that and you can start typing. This is Madam Butler, blah, 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 blah. Obviously you won't write that, but you can write it there. Oops. And if you need to write even more, there's a page after that. So that's writing week 1. You're going to write a personal narrative, and you don't need to send it to me because I'll be able to see what you write with your Google Slides.